at about 14.2 right now. Either that or the trail's just that rough. It's hard to tell. In the right front.
Your right or mine?
Is that right?
Looks like it's flat.
Yep. First time I popped these tires. There's that big piece of gravel back there.
Do you mind bringing it over to the side?
Yeah, I can get over there.
In case somebody comes along down the trail. Do you have a flat?
Yeah. It's hard to tell on this thing. I'm like, wait, do I have a flat or is the trail just rough?
Well, I wanted to break anyway. Okay.
That's fine.
Very good, everybody. So everyone's winning here, except for you who's got to change the damn time.
Yep. It's on the sidewall, it's not popped. Should be fine.
What? The water looks pretty still. It does. Well, for a while, there was this one tiny stretch where there was a headwind, but it didn't last, fortunately.
I hit that one big square piece of gravel on the road back there.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I heard it hit, but I didn't hear no hissing, so I thought it was fine.
Did you hit it with that side?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I didn't hear it hiss at all, so I thought, you know, it was probably fine. Okay. But apparently not. That's where I got this stuff.
Last time I was out on the trail, last week I got a flat. And the two people I was with were like, oh, okay, I always wanted to see how to change the flat.
Well, on this thing you don't even have to take the wheel off, so it's all single sided, so you just take it off like this.
Oh, okay. I got it. That's pretty cool.
I gotta go. See, before I muck with that, because what'll happen is if I go to try to bend it back, it'll break. Yeah. And then
I was gonna put a new tube in there. I think I threw 2 tubes in there.
so I just leave it the way it is and ride it this way tomorrow. And then I'm going home, so it doesn't matter. Oh, you don't have to take the tire off to change.
Nope. You guys, I think this is the 20-inch.
Do you want to check the tire though to make sure you didn't get like
Yeah, I could check it.
a thorn or something?
It was a piece of gravel. I saw it. But usually I don't have a problem with these tires, so.
Yeah, they're definitely high end.
So is it the tire or the inner tube?
It's the inner tube that went.
What, did you pinch it?
I hit a piece of gravel back there.
And what did that do? Pinch it?
I think it pinched it. I don't know, I could take the whole tire off and find out.
Yeah. See if you can figure out where, blow it up and see where it comes out.
I don't know what all this white crap is on it.
Are they 24-inch?
These are 20.
20, okay.
Huh? Where is it?
I think it's like right over in here somewhere. Right there. That little tiny hole right there.
You're kidding.
So I just hold that.
Here, can you spin on it for a sec? See if it bubbles.
Yeah, it's definitely that. Yeah, you just hold that over there, it should blow up. Yep, that's the hole. That little tiny thing. I'll patch it when I get home.
I can't even see a damn thing.
It's right over here. It's,
Oh, that little.
there's like a little nick in it. Yep. That little one.
What kind of pressure do these run?
I've put about 80 in them. But this one's already been patched, so I don't really care if I throw this one on. I think it's got a patch on it somewhere. Yeah, I'll put a patch on it right here. And that just saves me time on the trail, not having to put any patch on.